Tape echo stretching through the night. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. We come from struggle, we come from pain, walking through the sun and rain. Voices rising from the ground, turning silence into sound. No more bending to the fear, a new vibration drawing near. History written in our stride, with truth and justice by our side. This is the fire of change, burning bright, cutting through the endless night. We rise together, strong and free, moving toward destiny. This is the fire of change we bring. Let the whole wide world sing. No turning back, no standing still. We move with righteous will. Yeah. Horn section calling from the hill, speaking words that stand still. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the soil, blessing every drop of toil. The people rise, the chains fall down. No more sorrow, no more crown. Every soul begin to see the strength of unity. From the ashes we arise, under open burning sky. One love guiding every step, nothing left to regret. Standing together, break the wall. Hear the righteous voices call. Every heart and every hand, building up a better land. Higher, hey. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Morning comes with golden flame. Nothing ever stays the same. The future carved by what we do, made by me and made by you. Every dream that was delayed now begins to find its way, and every wound begins to heal in the power that we feel. This is the fire of change, burning bright, cutting through the endless night. We rise together, strong and free, walking into history. This is the fire of change we know. Let the whole wide world glow, with love and truth as our guide. We cannot be denied. Fire of change, forward ever, forward strong. Yeah. Horns breathing through the mist, tape echo lifting the air. I woke up under heavy skies, clouds of doubt in my eyes. Every step felt slow and long, but something inside kept me strong. The road was rough, the path unclear, but I could feel this shift was near. Like morning waiting behind the rain, promise rising through the pain. Now I see the clear sky shining bright, breaking through the endless night. Every shadow fades away. clear sky wide and free, calling out to destiny. What was lost is now restored, walking through an open door. Horn section rising like a morning sun, telling me the storm is done. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the ground, turning silence into sound. Every worry starts to fade in the light that truth has made. What was broken now is whole, healing body, mind, and soul. No more chains around my mind, no more leaving peace behind. Every burden drops away in the light of a brighter day. Step by step, I find my way into the truth that never sways. Rising up beyond the fear, knowing love is always near. The world around me opens wide, with nothing left to hide. Every color now appears, washing away all the tears. The journey that I walked before led me to an open door, and everything I couldn't see now reveals its destiny. Now I see the clear sky shining bright, breaking through the endless night. Every shadow fades away, I can finally see the day. Now I see the clear sky wide and free, guiding my reality. From the darkness I am reborn into a brighter morning. Clear sky, clear mind, clear light. Clear sky, clear mind, new light. Yeah, one vibration, one creation. Yeah. From every corner of the earth we come, different paths but the same sun. Under the sky where we all belong, we find our truth in a common song. No more division, no more fear, let the message be crystal clear. What we build must stand as one, from the morning until the setting sun. One people rising hand in hand, across the waters and the land. No matter where your journey goes, unity is what we know. One people rising strong and free, living in harmony, with love as the guiding light. We move from darkness into light. Sacred call, breaking down every wall. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the ground, ancient wisdom in the sound. Every child deserves a chance we are more than flesh and bone. We are never truly alone. Stand together, break the chain, wash away the hate and pain. From the ashes we will rise, under clear and open skies. Morning comes with golden flame. Nothing ever stays the same. If we plant the seeds of love, we rise higher than above. The world is calling out today. Choose the brighter, better way. Every voice and every tone builds a future of our own. One people rising hand in hand across the waters and the land. No matter where your journey goes, unity is what we know. One people rising soul to soul, making broken spirit whole. With love as the guiding light, we move from darkness into light. One people, one love, one rising. Yeah, feel it now. Analog horns humming soft in the night. Tape echo drifting like warm breeze. Nyabinghi-inspired beat steady. She walked through the yard like morning sun, turning every worry into fun. Smile so bright it changed the day, make the dark clouds drift away. Every step got a natural flow, like river water steady go. And when she talked, the whole world slow, like sweet fruit ready to grow. Sweet mango love, stay with me, like the tide touching the sea. No stress, no fight, just harmony. You and me in unity. Sweet mango love, pure and true. Everything I feel for you, from the roots up to the sky above. We living in sweet mango love. Whoa, mango love. Whoa. Horn section whisper through the air, telling stories of how we care. Every note like a gentle kiss, wrapped inside a blissful mist. Nyabinghi rhythm in the ground, guiding love all around. Even when the night is cold, your presence still warms my soul. Promises we choose to keep, no confusion, no disguise, only truth inside your eyes. We rise together, hand in hand, building love across the land. Nothing can tear this feeling down. We wear love like a crown. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Morning comes and the world feels new. Every color shining through. What we plant, it starts to bloom, chasing away every gloom. You and I in perfect time, moving like a steady rhyme. And every heartbeat says it clear, love is always near. Sweet mango love, stay with me, like the tide touching the sea. No stress, no fight, just harmony. You and me in unity. Sweet mango love, forever strong. We've been right here all along. From the roots up to the tape echo bouncing off the walls. A testimony in the sound. They tried to lock me in a heavy chair, put my name through fire and pain, but the truth don't stay underground. It rise again in a righteous sound. Concrete walls couldn't hold my mind. Freedom was the only sign. Every night I hear the call. Truth is standing through it all. Number of freedom can't hold me down. I rise again when I hit the ground. No matter what they say or do, I survive and break right through. Number of freedom, here is clear. Victory is always near. From the darkness to the light above, I return with strength and love. With strength and love. On section crying like a witness stand, telling stories across the land. Nyabinghi beat like judgment day, burning every lie away. They thought the struggle was the end of me, but it only set my spirit free. Every scar becomes a song, and the weak become strong. I walk through fire, I walk through storm, but my heart stays calm and warm. No prison can contain the soul. Truth is the ultimate goal. One voice rising from the ground, breaking every chain that's found. Justice echo through the air. Let the people know we're there. Morning sun on the prison yard. Life was never meant to be this hard, but hope arrived in a rhythm sound, turning everything around. Now I stand with open eyes underneath these endless skies. Freedom singing in my chest. Finally I'm blessed. Number of freedom, hear it ring. Let the whole white system sing. No chains can stop what truth has planned. We rise across the land. Number of freedom, strong and true. Everything I've been through, now I walk into the light above, carried by the power of love. Power of love. Number of freedom, forever rising, forever free. Yeah, man, sound it. Nyabinghi drums rolling like thunder. Analog horn screaming through the system. Tape echo bouncing in the night. When the night come down and the place get low, massive gather like a moving crowd. From every corner, every lane, feel the vibration run through the vein. Something rising in the atmosphere, calling the people everywhere. No silence can hold this sound. It shake the sky and shake the ground. Alarm in the city, let it ring. Let the whole white nation sing. No fear can stop the fire we bring. We rise up with everything. Alarm in the city, hear it low, moving through the restless crowd. Militant blade of truth. Speaking straight to the restless youth. Nyabinghi beat in a deep meditation, guiding hearts across the nation. System shaking when the baseline drop. But the people now go stop. Unity burning like a sacred flame. Nothing ever stay the same. One voice under every star. No division in this sound tonight. Only power and righteous light. We stand firm in the storm and breaking every chain of pain. From the roots we rise again, calling out to every man. Morning come, but the fire still bright, carrying truth to the fading night. Every step that we take today clears another dark way. The children dancing in the street, feel the power in the beat, hope alive in every soul. Music making people whole. Alarm in the city, let it ring. Let the whole wide nation sing. No fear can stop the fire we bring. We rise up with everything. Alarm in the city, stand as one, underneath the rising sun, with love and truth as our guide. We can never hide. Alarm in the city. Sound it again. Forward ever. Yo, hear this. Nyabinghi drums rolling steady, analog horns cutting through the night. Tape echo, let it talk. Stepping at the place, feel the pressure rise. Bassline shaking under neon skies. People gather from near and far, guided by the rhythm and the rising star. She no fear when the sound start play. Every burden getting melt away. From the corner to the central lane, everybody chanting in the same refrain. Fire in the sound, make it blaze up high. Lift your spirit to the sky. No division, only unity. Move together in harmony. Fire in the sound, let it ring. Every soul begin to sing. Militant art, but the message clear. Love and justice draw near. One section crying like a battle car, echo bouncing off the city wall. Nyabinghi beat like ancient drum, calling all the people to come. No confusion, no delay. We rising up another day. Truth step forward in a bold display. Light the darkness and clear the way. We no bow, we no break. Stand firm for the people's sake. Every heartbeat, every chant. Plant the seed, let it plant. From the ghetto to the mountainside, we moving with ancestral pride. One vibration, one mission strong, guided by a freedom song. Morning coming, but we still ignite. Dancing through the dark of night. Every voice in a one accord. Sound system sharper than a sword. Struggle turning to celebration. Powerful youth across the nation. No more chains and no more fear. Oh, 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 only truth ringing clear. Fire in the sound, make it blaze up high. Lift your spirit to the sky. No division, only unity. Move together in harmony. Fire in the sound, feel the flame. Nothing ever stay the same with the rhythm and the guiding light. Yo, hear that? Nyabinghi kicking through the speakers. Analog horns calling in the dark. Tape echo, let it roll. When the night fall and the street them glow, everybody start to feel the flow. Bassline heavy, pressure pure, but the vibe still clean and sure. People stepping in the open space, different rhythm, different pace. No confusion, just one sound, spinning happiness all around. Rhythm in the night, make we move. Every heart just find the groove. No fear, no fight, just unity, dancing in sweet harmony. Rhythm in the night, feel the fire, lift your spirit, take you higher. From the yard to the city light, we survive through sound and light. Horn section crying from the hill, talking truth and standing still. Echoes bouncing through the lane, washing away the stress and pain. Some come rough and some come soft, but the rhythm lift we up a lot. Every corner, every face, join together in one place. No division in the sound tonight, only vibration burning bright. Nyabinghi heartbeat strong and deep, awakening the ones asleep. We rise, we stand, we never fall. Music healing one and all. From this struggle we are saved, and the rhythm never ends. Burning soon, but we still they move. In the light we find the groove. Every soul with open eyes sees the truth behind disguise. The system shaking, but we come. Music like a healing balm. Every dancer, every hand, building up the promised land. Rhythm in the night, make we move. Every heart just find the groove. No fear, no fight, just unity, dancing in sweet harmony. Rhythm in the night, sound so pure, ancient rhythm we endure. With the fire and the guiding light, we survive the endless night. Rhythm in the night, forever moving, forever alive. Yeah, feel it in the night, and analog horns rising slow. Tape echo drifting wide. Children dancing in the open square, feet on the ground, freedom in the air. No more sorrow, no more chains, only sunshine after rain. The elders smile as the rhythm flows, ancient wisdom in the way it goes. Every heartbeat, every sound is a blessing passing around. Groove in the firelight, let it play. Turn your burdens into sway. Lift your spirit, feel it grow. Let the good vibration show. Groove in the firelight, stand as one. brings a melody of change. Hands are lifted, hearts aligned, leaving darkness far behind. In the circle we belong, we are rhythm, we are song. Groove in the firelight, let it play. Turn your burdens into sway. Lift your spirit, feel it grow. Let the good vibration show. One love. One love rising through the storm, keeping every soul warm. Nyabinghi heartbeat, strong and clear, melting every trace of fear. We don't bow, we don't break, we rise for the people say. Freedom written in the sound, spinning like the world around. Morning comes with golden light, healing every wrong to right. From the struggle, from the pain, we are dancing once again. Youthful fire in every chest, only truth will stand the test. And the future that we see is built on love and unity. Groove in the firelight, let it play. Turn your burdens into sway. Lift your spirit, feel it grow. Let the good vibration show. Groove in the firelight, take your place. Every color, every face, in the rhythm we are free. One big family. Groove in the firelight. Groove in the firelight. Groove in the firelight. Forever forward, forever free. Yeah, man. Feel the vibration. Oh, the time has come to rise and shine. Aye, 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 aye. I walk through the fire, I walk through the rain, carried my vision through struggle and pain. Many said the mountain was too high to climb, but faith kept whispering, your season will come in time. The wind may blow and the rivers may swell, but a determined soul can never be held. With roots planted deep in the earth below, the strength of the people continues to grow. Rise and shine, the morning has arrived. After the darkest night we come alive. Hear the horns calling across the land. Together united we shall stand. Rise and shine, let your spirit be free, like the waves rolling across the sea. With courage and truth as our guiding light, we'll keep on moving through the night. The children dance beneath the sun, dreaming of the world where all are one. The elders smile as the drums resound, spreading wisdom all around. No obstacle can block the way when hope grows stronger every day. Step by step and hand in hand, we're building a brighter land. Rise and shine, the morning has arrived. After the darkest night we come alive. Hear the horns calling across the land. Together united we shall stand. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Woo! And the message travel far and wide, like a mighty river and a rising tide. No fear, no doubt, no turn. voice paints the sky in gold, a story of courage forever told. For every dream that seemed delayed, a brighter path has now been made. The spirit of freedom lives inside, a flame no darkness can ever hide. And every step we take today leads us closer on the way. Rise and shine, the morning has arrived. After the darkest night we come alive. Hear the horns calling across the land. Together united we shall stand. Rise and shine, let the whole world see the power of love and unity. With faith and hope forever strong, we'll keep on singing this freedom song. Rise and shine. Woo. Rise and shine. Hey. Forward ever, the journey continues. Hear the cry from the city tonight. Echoes rolling through the concrete and the hills. Justice and mercy must walk together. In the streets where the young ones roam, searching for a future to call their own. Voices rise through the evening haze, looking for light in uncertain days. The drums keep beating beneath the stars, healing old wounds and forgotten scars. Though the road is rough and the burden strong, the people still carry on. These are the streets of the people, where hope refuses to die. Though the storm clouds gather around us, we'll keep our heads held high. These are the streets of the people, where dreams are planted each day. With love and truth as our foundation, we'll find a better way. The trumpet sounds from the distant hill, calling for wisdom and stronger will. Not by anger, not by fear, but by unity drawing near. The children deserve a brighter dawn, a world where justice can carry on. So we stand together, hand in hand, building peace across the land. These are the streets of the people, where hope refuses to die. Though the storm clouds gather around us, we'll keep our heads alive. Oh, oh, hear the message, ride the breeze, flowing through the valleys and the trees. One heart, one voice, one destiny, growing strong in harmony. No matter how dark the night may seem, the morning sun fulfills the dream. The spirit of the people remains alive, and that's how we survive. From every corner a song is heard, speaking louder than any word. A song of courage future near. These are the streets of the people, where hope refuses to die. Though the storm clouds gather around us, we'll keep our heads held high. These are the streets of the people, and together we shall stand. With righteousness to guide our footsteps, we'll heal this troubled land. Forward ever, together as one, the people carry on. Hear the dawn sound from the mountainside. Tape echo drifting through the night. Something powerful is on the way. There's a messenger standing at the gate, carrying wisdom for the people's faith. Your crown of gold, your robe of fame, just truth and justice in his name. The city walls begin to shake as sleeping hearts start to awake. A voice of courage, calm and strong, reminding us where we belong. A messenger at the gate, bringing words we cannot ignore, knocking on every door, calling the people to something more. A messenger at the gate, with a vision bright as the morning sun. No matter how long the struggle lasts, the journey has only begun. The elders gather beneath the trees, listening closely to the evening breeze. The drums keep beating steady and true, sending a signal to me and you. No fear can stop the rising tide. When the people stand side by side, the seeds of freedom have been sown, and now their strength is fully grown. A messenger at the gate, bringing words we cannot ignore, knocking on every door, calling the people to something more. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From the valleys to the highest hill, the call for unity echoes still. Tape delays, carrying every phrase across the land for days and days. One heart, one spirit, one destiny, growing strong like a mighty tree. The future belongs to those who see the power of love and community. Children singing in the morning light, dreaming of a world made right. No wars between the rich and poor, just open hearts and open doors. The stars above bear witness still to every act of human will, and every step the people take brings a brighter dawn to wake. A messenger at the gate, bringing hope to every shore, knocking on every door, calling the people to something more. A messenger at the gate, hear the sacred drums resound, with faith and truth to guide our way. A better day will love and justice shining bright. When the storm clouds gathered over my head and the road ahead was filled with dread, a gentle voice came through the rain and healed the wounds of every pain. Through the darkness, through the fight, a sacred flame became my light. The truth of love began to grow like a mighty river, steady flow. Love light on the horizon, shining through the darkest skies. No matter how far we've wandered, hope will always rise. Love light on the horizon, calling every woman and man. Together we stand united, building a better land. Hear the horns echo across the hills, carrying dreams that time fulfills. The elders speak with wisdom strong, teaching the children to carry on. No wall too high, no chain too long can silence a righteous freedom song. With every heartbeat, every prayer, the spirit of love is everywhere. Love light on the horizon, shining through the darkest skies. No matter how far we've wandered, hope will always rise. One people, one vision, one destiny, growing like roots of a mighty tree. The drums keep beating, the message clear. A brighter day is drawing near. Hey. Oh, from the valleys to the mountain peaks, the voice of compassion softly speaks, planting seeds of unity for generations yet to see. The sun will rise on a brand new dawn, long after the night has gone, and every soul will understand love is the strength of every land. Love light on the horizon, shining through the darkest skies. No matter how far we wander, hope will always rise. Love light on the horizon, guiding us through every storm. With faith, love, and courage, a better world is born. Love light, forever shining bright. Oh yeah, under the moonlight, love is the remedy. Nyabinghi drums beating softly. When the shadows fall and the stars appear, your gentle voice is all I hear. Like a cool breeze on a troubled sea, you bring calm and serenity. The world outside may rage and roar, but your love opens every door. A guiding light through the darkest night, turning my worries into delight. Midnight healer, drums of freedom are beating still. In your embrace I find my strength to carry on and go the length. Love is power, love is grace. Love can heal the human race. One heart, one soul, one destiny, flowing like a mighty sea. Midnight healer, stay close tonight. Wrap me in your loving light. When the road gets rough and the burden grows, your sweet compassion always shows. Through every trial and every storm, your spirit keeps my courage warm. The tape echo carries our song of fire beneath the moon and every star. Hey. The future shines with a golden glow, because your faith helps flowers grow. A stronger world begins with care and a willingness to always share. Together we'll rise above the pain, like rivers flowing after rain, holding firm to what is true, building dreams for me and you. Midnight healer, stay close tonight. Wrap me in your loving light. When the road gets rough and the burden grows, your sweet compassion always shows. Midnight healer, hear the people sing. Let the bells of freedom ring. With love as our foundation strong, we'll keep moving right along. Midnight healer, shine your light. Midnight healer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walk through the valley where the cold wind blows. Carried my burden down the dusty road. Thunder in the distance, fire in the sky. Still I hear the elders say, hold your head high. Drums in the night keep calling my name. Ancient voices whisper through the rain. Though the mountain stands before my way, faith is the lantern that will never fade. Up, up, across the rivers of the rising sun, we march together till the work is done. No chain can bind what the Spirit has won. Across the rivers of the rising sun, horns keep sounding, echo through the land. Truth and justice walking hand in hand. Though the struggle long, we overcome. Across the rivers of the rising sun. Children of tomorrow sing a freedom song, teaching every heart where we belong. Roots run deep people cannot be tamed. Through every trial and every test, the humble and the righteous shall be blessed. Lift your eyes beyond the darkest night. Morning always follows after fight. Across the rivers of the rising sun, we march together till the work is done. No chain can bind what the Spirit has won. Across the rivers of the rising sun, blow the trumpet, let the message fly. From the hills and valleys to the coastline wide. One heart, one love, one destiny, standing firm in dignity. The seed we plant today will surely grow, watered by the tears our ancestors know. From the earth we rise, from the dust we stand, building a future with our own hands. Across the rivers of the rising sun, we march together till the work is done. No chain can bind what the Spirit has won. Across the rivers of the rising sun, Nyabinghi beating like a sacred drum. Hope and courage for everyone, with the strength of many joined as one. Across the rivers of the rising sun. Wake up this morning with the sun in my eyes, golden rays breaking through the cloudy skies. The road may be rough and the climb may be steep, but the promise of tomorrow is a promise we keep. Ancient wisdom flowing through the breeze, carried by the rivers and the swaying trees. The elders say, stand firm and be strong, and let righteousness guide you along. Steady journey, keep moving on, through the darkest night toward the dawn. With a faithful heart and a vision clear, a brighter day is drawing near. Steady journey, don't lose your way, let the truth shine brighter every day. Though the struggle long, we overcome, marching to the beat of the sacred drum. Hear the horns echo across the land, calling every woman and every man to build a future with unity and love, guided by the wisdom from above. No chain can hold the Spirit down, no force can steal the people's crown. Together we rise, together we stand, working for justice throughout the land. Steady journey, keep moving on, through the darkest night toward the dawn. With a faithful heart and a vision clear, a brighter day is drawing near. The tape echo carries the message far, from the city lights to the countryside stars. One people, one dream, one destiny, growing strong like a mighty tree. Children sing songs of liberty, dreaming of a world where all are free. Planting